Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Independence Day, Jamaica. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And I'm stepping out in my colors. Look at me, you guys. Wait, let me let you catch the shoes real quick. Look at the pride, y'all. Look at the pride. Look at the pride. My mom got me these shoes as a surprise. I was so shocked. Tyler, turn on the TV. My mom got me these shoes. I was shocked when I saw it, and I'm in love with it. Clocks on the foot. Hey, you know we are Jamaicans. Wherever Jamaica flag is, whenever we get to wear it, the pride, the joy, the love, the pride that you feel in your heart. Especially me. Love my culture, love my country, and of course my babies are decked out in Jamaica clothes today. Let me see your outfit, Ty. Hey, what day is today in Jamaica?
Is the 14th of August?
Is the 14th of July in France, but today is the 6th of August, and today, what is today called in Jamaica?
Independence Day.
There we go. Hi, Sarah. Stand up. Let me see your outfit. Sarah, stand. Sarah, look at Mama. Stand up. Let Mama see your outfit. Look. Wait, Ty. Wait. Say Jamaica.
Jamaica.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Mama, Independence Day is on the
6. Today is the 6th.
Because I don't know if Jamaica is still.
No. It's the 6th, just like here. Remember, we are in the afternoon, so Jamaica is in the morning. Okay? So, let me give you a little rundown about today. But, by the way, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying Independence Day. By the time you guys see this, Independence Day will be gone. So, hopefully you guys had a good one and bask in your Jamaican glory. Have some jerk chicken and some beer and jerk pork and rice and peas and barbecue and jerk and fry and curry and soup. You guys don't mind my craziness. Anyway, so one of Babe's friend is here visiting, so we'll be going on the road. But though we're going on the road, I still had to represent and put on my Jamaican clothes. Yes. So we're going out. We're going in town with him. Him and Babe is already on the road. They've gone to order Tyler birthday cake because Tyler birthday is winding down, so that cake have to be ordered. You want cookie? Go and have a cookie. Say please. In the drawer, in the snack section. So Tyler birthday is coming up, so Babe gone to make Tyler cake order because you guys may or may not know our car is out of service and won't be in until the coming week. So that's what's up. So Babe gone to make Tyler cake order, and then I'm gonna meet them in the middle along the way. So the kids and I are gonna jump on the bus and go meet them, and we're gonna go in town for a bit, and then I won't tell you guys everything that we're gonna do for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna take you guys along so that way you can enjoy the vlog as you go along. So stick and stay, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. Have a good day and enjoy my Jamaica Independence vlog. Okay, that's what we're gonna call it. Anyway, let's go on these streets. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay honest, be kind to one another. Love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Ice cream time. Push on the road. Okay, come to view.
Paid?
Remy said he's gonna pay. I was gonna pay him, say no.
Really?
Yes. Tyler, step down so Tonton can pay. What is this, a little market? Oh, it's an Italian market. Okay. We'll stop getting ice cream. Would it go? The Italian. And the ice cream is cheaper in comparison to some places. Oh, like other places. It's fine.
Easier for the kids.
Merci.
You can push and do.
Yummy, Sarah? So we are on the most famous street in my city, Nice. We are on the Promenade. And this is where the beach is at. Look at people, a sea of people. As far as the eyes can see, you are seeing people on the beach. Can you believe I haven't gone to the beach since this summer? Not yet, but I'll make it. And fun fact about this beach on the Promenade in Nice, there's no sand at all. It's a beach of stones. So down there are all stones. Down there, no sand. I can't go to this beach without wearing my beach shoes. Look, everybody tanning, living their best beach life. Ladies in no bra, ladies in bra. People reading, people on the umbrella. And these covering that you see here are restaurants down there. I remember I take babe here for his birthday. One of these restaurants, I think it's more up that way, for his birthday last year. Don't know what I'm gonna do this year, but we'll figure that out. But yeah, the crew is walking on the prom. I just called my friend Danielle because we came off the tram at Danielle's stop, and I just called her, so she said she's gonna meet me in town because we'll be in town for like another hour and a half. So hopefully I get to see Danielle. I haven't seen her in a while because she's been so busy and I've been so busy. So hopefully I get to see Dan. But if I do, you will see her. Look at this. Remy, have you ever done that? No, would you? Baby's like no. Oh my gosh, that's the part I'm afraid of, because I can't swim. Okay, and that coming down part where I'm gonna in the water completely, I might, but I want to do it. I want to do it so bad, but baby wanna do it with me. I have to wait until one of my friends. I have to wait until one of my friends come here. Yeah, and yeah, parasailing. Yes, I want to do it so bad. Maybe for my birthday. Yeah, we can do it for my birthday.
Next year.
No. They say it needs to be a bang. No, you better make sure that 35 is a bang. You see, like how you're not gonna be around for this one. I'm just gonna enjoy it until you come back. So I might just do parasailing without you. How about that? No? You don't want me to do it without you? But you don't want to do it with... Look at the little boy about to go on, honey. The little boy is about to go on. You see?
When I'm going to the park and you're afraid of everything. You know,
Remy, do you like roller coaster? Look at my hot daughter in our battery rider. Hot daughter! Daughter! Sarah? How old are you? Look! How old are you? Tell Tata, 3 years old. Are you 3?
I do.
You're 2?
I do.
She said juice.
Juice. Oh, sorry.
You guys, look who is here. Dan in the building. Emancipation Day link up in our yellow representing. Look, catch the
Life to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing.
Yeah, you're my baby. Yeah, you're my baby, not tonton.
But how are you a baby and you're almost the
Look
same
at this hottie though. Look at this hottie though. Look at this hottie. Like, we finished having a drink and now we're heading to a restaurant to eat dinner, different restaurant from the one that we were. And Tyler is over there giving his auntie and uncle hell. Look at it, look at this boy. He have way too much energy. Ty, be careful. What is that over there? Some art thing?
I think we're stronger than you.
Sarah! Sarah know where the park is, you know, so she's saying park. Sarah know we're at the park area, so she's saying park. She wants to go to the park. We're at Jamaica right now, the famous spot with the checkered tiles and the one color building. Sarah? Next stop, restaurant for dinner. Keeping the kids quiet. Staying on track, look at my dinner. Beef and salad. Sarah's, babe. C'est 4 fromages?
Oui. Non, pas lui. Lui, c'est la viande. C'est les deux que j'ai hésité. J'avais mis les deux. Quand il a dit 4 fromages, j'ai dit je vais prendre l'autre.
On my chest and it squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate.
Having dinner on this amazing strip in I think we're in Saint Laurent du Val, just beside Nice. That is our very first time visiting here. Visiting this strip of restaurants. It's like a hip strip of restaurant. It's so beautiful. Restaurants line just this street alone. I'm just gonna turn the camera around and show you guys what it looks like from this angle. So you guys don't really see the nightlife with us out a lot. So this is a good moment for you guys to see what the nightlife is looking like. And the boys are in front of me. Baby's in the bag. You soon get baby, okay? All these that you guys are seeing are restaurants and more restaurants. You have the extra luxury one like this one that we're passing, quiet and all white, and then this one also with fancy lights on the tables. I didn't really get to show you inside of the one that we were just now, but it was really nice. It was an Italian restaurant that we went to. But look at all these restaurants, and you have all different kinds. You have Italian, you have French, you have just pizza, you have vegetarian, and the strip smells so good. If you can see, there's cars and bikes that line out here. A lot of people, fancy dancing. But I'm happy that we came here, because even if you eat at one of these restaurants each month, you can't eat at all of them, the amount of restaurant that's out here, unless you're a serial outgoing kind of person.
I love the fact that you like.
Look at it, so nice. Look at that. Cars, we couldn't even find parking just now. We took at least 15 minutes going round and round in a circle to find restaurant. Euros restaurant. Look at this one. Nice, outdoorsy, and the vibe with the lights. I like it. Look at this one with the red. I like it. I like the vibes it's giving. This one here seemed to close. Oh no, but it have a club vibe going inside. Have a club energy going on inside, so I don't know if it's closed or what is happening. Okay, here you have a flower store that is actually not a restaurant on this strip. Okay, continue on to more restaurants here. Wow, look at this kind of indoors outdoor kind of vibe. This one going on named La Rajput. This kind of have an outdoors glassy vibe, so you can see it from outside, but it's glass covered. And then you have a port over here. So over there you have all boats. Lots of boats and yachts over on that side. Eat your hearts out. All you can eat. You can't down the strip. And look, as far as the eyes can see, there's restaurant. Look at my little miss out and about at 10:30 in the night. Look at you, girl. That should be in your bed. More restaurants. The French life. The France living. Kiddos are out, and not my kid alone out at this time of the night. This one look hip. Lots of people at this one. I'm giving a cocktail kind of vibe. So you guys, I went and get him just for you guys. I had to body move for him to come and end the vlog for you guys.
You have to pay me $5 for me to come.
It's cheap though.
Yeah, but I tell you $5 for 2 minutes, so you better hand it right now.
It's you ending it, not
It's
me.
only 2 minutes.
He and his friend was in the living room chit-chatting away. I just leave them out there.
I was kind of surprised to see you still awake.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Well, because you napped today and I didn't.
Because I work hard all week.
And I don't?
No, you paint your fingers and Sarah fingers, and you paint your toes and Sarah toes, and you paint the wall. You just have fun, and I'm sure you say you want to do it again in Taiwan. You want to paint Taiwan. You think in kindergarten painting? You think that's cool? She's the best painter ever. I call her Picasso. Rasta Picasso. Do you know one famous Jamaican painter?
No, me. You just tell them I'm the best painter ever. So how can you ask me if I'm near?
Yes, somebody else than you.
No, me's enough.
Alright. Next time we got Jamaica,
Happy
Kingston Airport, we are saw her face. Melissa Pinter.
Happy Jamaica, Dema City, Jamaica. It was such pride wearing my black, green, and gold today.
Happy Independence Day.
And he left out before me, so I couldn't paste him in a black, green, and gold. Because you know he would be in black, green, and gold, right?
I won't have choice.
Fly high, fly low.
Fly very low.
But he missed it by this. If I thought about it before he leave out, he would have to wear his black, green, and gold before he leave it here. Anyway, you guys, how was your day? How was your evening?
It was cool. I had a good moment. I'm very glad.
Enjoy spending time with your friends?
Yeah, family and friends, because my family was there too.
Oh, and it was so good seeing Danielle. That was a surprise. That was a surprise.
So
Danielle
you had
is
your
my
friend
girl.
too?
Yes, Danny's my girl. It was good seeing her. Though it was short, but it was spontaneous, and I love that. Anyway, guys, we're going to bed right now, guys. I'm getting tired, and it's hot.
We have another day today.
Another day
that
today.
we're gonna full of
You mean tomorrow?
good things.
Well,
Yes.
today you're right, because it's after midnight.
Yeah.
Babe, what's your beard? You see you want to shave? They love seeing your beard like this. You know,
Yeah.
let me give them a close up.
I need to cut
For all
this
the
entire
subbies
hair.
that loves to be with beard. Look at him. And high hair. But enjoy it right now because tomorrow it will be gone.
Tomorrow I cut the hair.
Yes. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to Bam Bam. And let me know in the comment section, how did you spend your Independence Day? I'll see you guys
Today.
tomorrow. It's funny.